Is permanent makeup going to replace my daily makeup routine? That really depends a lot on the client. Many of my clients are very natural ladies, and the permanent makeup is all that they need for day to day. For me personally, I like for my eyebrows to look very crispy on the bottom, so my daily makeup routine includes putting a little bit of brow powder along the bottom edge of my eyebrows and dusting up over the hair, because I do get little white and gray hairs on my eyebrows. Lucky me. My eyeliner is permanent, so I just put a mascara, and my lip color is also permanent, so usually that just requires a little lip balm with some SPF for a little shine and also to protect my color. Now, if you are somebody that likes a really makeup-y look, for example, you normally put on really black liquid eyeliner and paint your eyebrows on every day, and you have eyelash extensions and fake fingernails, then the permanent makeup alone may not be enough for you. It's a great foundation, but you may still want to apply some traditional cosmetics to get that extra bit of drama that you like. It really depends so much on the personal aesthetic of the client. It's also important to note that most permanent makeup is subtle and understated, so if you like really bold color choices, this may not really be the option for you.